Hello everyone, I'm here today to talk to you about the suggested um, game technology, and I looked at Kahoot and I actually really quite fell in love with it. So basically Kahoot is a way you can create learning through gameplay. So it has a way in which you can create your own games with your own educational content, or they have a lot of different games already readily available. The children can use it in the classroom or even at home, which I thought was good. And I know that people usually learn great from some friendly competition. What I want to show you is like cost. I think the cost of it is very reasonable. You can choose which type of plan you want. You can do a basic, pro, or premium, which allows different abilities for each one. And I think it's pretty reasonable. One is free, $3 or just $6 a month. So I think that is cost effective to have. And as you can see, you get different features. You get live games. You can do student pick games. You can create and play. Uh, you can do open-ended questions, puzzles, a whole gambit of things. I personally think that I would like to use it like to create some form of like a Jeopardy or Family Feud type of game with categories, and perhaps I could put like cardiology for nurses, pediatrics, and have them answer the questions like that. I think that would be quite an interesting and interactive way for them to learn. What I wanted to see here, it says I could actually, sample it and play the demo game here. It says, and I think, you know what? I'm going to actually click on it and see how it looks. Just, see what it looks like. Just so we know. Let's start a game. I get a game pin. I hope, so you get a game pin. Okay. Oh, I have to actually wait for other players. So that's good to know. Well, that might take a minute, so we won't be playing the game today. I'm going to show you another thing I found on Kahoot. Here are some games that once you sign up, I signed up with the free version, and they have a lot of different topics that you can play with. They have American Revolution Review, Ancient Greece, Rome, Civil War, algebra, tons of stuff, math, biology, science, chemistry, grammar. I'm very happy with this particular gaming site, and I can't wait to try to work with it. I think I would actually invest and pay the $6 to create some games I could use as a nurse and educator. I do think that when you educate, you can't be boring. You also have to add some fun factor to it, and I think this would be my way of bringing the fun factor. Have a nice day, everyone.